turn the appliance on by pressing the on-off switch. The appliance will perform a self-diagnosis cycle, indicated by sequential flashing of the 3 buttons. The 1 cup and 2 cup lights flash to indicate the appliance is heating up. When the lights stop flashing and remain on, the appliance is ready for use. Place a container with a minimum capacity of 100 milliliters under the hot water steam spout. Turn the hot water steam dial to steam and deliver about 100 milliliters of water. Then close the dial again. Please note, the first time you use the coffee maker, you need to make 4 to 5 cups of coffee or 4 to 5 cappuccinos before it starts to give the best results.